It's the wildfires raging in Canada that are once again impacting air quality here in Louisville and across the United States. The Detroit area, you're watching it right here, is getting hit with some of the worst of the smoke. The EPA placing their air quality in the hazardous range. This is the scene as the smoke settled over most of the Great Lakes region. Now, also look at Chicago. The Windy City's air quality was considered the worst anywhere in the world yesterday. Today, the air quality is still ranking among the top 3 among worst in the world. And you can see the thick haze hiding the famed skyscrapers in the skyline. And now that the sun has gone down, an eerie glow across the entire city. Here's a live look we're bringing you right now from the sky deck at Willis Tower in Chicago. The striking skyline barely visible through all the smoke there in Chicago. Well, as we've experienced in the past, Kentuckiana is not immune to wildfire smoke, but usually it's been from the western wildfires. So here on the night team, we wanted to find out tonight how many of you handled the alerts to stay indoors. The answer, most said no way. WHAS 11 Night Team's Connor Steffen and photojournalist Ian Hardwitt are live downtown as the smoke is still having an impact, even though the sun has already gone down tonight. Connor?
Yeah, Doug and everyone at home, just take a look. Even with the sunset, the smoky, hazy grip that this air quality has on the city is still apparent at this hour. And tonight we are learning from both Norton and UofL Hospital that their urgent cares are seeing an uptick in respiratory cases directly tied to this haze. The orange glow of a smoky sunset, the haze hanging under the lights at Slugger Field, the smoke wrapping itself around the downtown buildings like a blanket, with only the twin steeples in Butchertown able to peek through.
Can't see the skyline with all the smoke.
In the midst of a thick haze hard to ignore.
It's like clouds are down here today.
The name of the game today?
You know, you got to do it with what you got, so I use my shirt. It's a little undershirt.
Muhammad Abu Alez
Almost.
is getting by the best he can.
I'm bored.
With only a skateboard in this downtown parking lot and this makeshift mask.
The haze, you could tell, I'm about to walk through like, it looks like an apocalypse or something today.
Well, some avoided the outside at all costs.
I found myself in 5801 out at...
Others had little choice.
Well, I don't know what it is, but there is definitely a haze in the air. You can see it, you can actually feel it.
Out in Linden on the east end, the air quality wasn't looking much better. And for these Linden police officers,
Give us just 1 second. Get some of these folks through.
it didn't matter much anyways.
No matter the conditions, what they may be, we are here 24/7 to do what we can do.
The code red air quality alert didn't stop hundreds
Walk sign, River Road.
from heading out to the waterfront either.
Yeah, there's right now it's kind of slow, and it is a fairly nice day, so I was expecting that we probably won't have a crowd because of that.
Hello, I say check your bag, please.
Waterfront Wednesday staff said they noticed very few people taking precautions while out and about for the event.
And a couple people have mentioned they wish they had them now, but yeah, there's only been about 2 or 3 that I've seen with masks at all.
So tell me why you got the face mask on today.
Because of the air quality, it's so muggy out here, smoky, that I have allergies, and I just want to make sure I'm breathing okay.
Annette Tolley may be taking precautions, but nothing could pull her away from her usual Wednesday entertainment.
I've been stuck in the house for so long. I was just saying I officially retired the 19th.
Because as the Canadian wildfire smoke hangs around, Louisvillians have to find ways to make do. Yeah, and just take a look at that light cast down on Slugger Field. The eerie thing about it is what makes it so crisp is that poor air quality right now we're seeing. Now that poor air quality will continue through tonight. By early Thursday morning, that code red air advisory alert will be downgraded to a code orange. So still poor, but a slight improvement. We're live in downtown Louisville. Connor Steffen, the WHAS 11 Night Team, on your side.